Hey YouTube, I'm Tori, this is Brad. He's only 2 months, and as you can see, he's sleeping. And he was recently fed, which is his average 4 ounces every 2 hours, or whenever he's hungry after his nap. And he usually gets hiccups. Actually, ever since I started doing this, he gets hiccups less too. But when he does get hiccups, I found a way, just experimenting and trying things to actually get rid of it most of the time. More than most of the time. Like if it doesn't work, it means just gotta try it again. Wait till it dies down a little bit, or wait till he's been doing it for a while. But basically, what I do is I I use about 1 ounce or a half of ounce of milk. Or if there's a little bit left over after I fed him, I give it to him. And just like us, when we drink water or when we used to get hiccups, we would be recommended to go to the water fountain or drink a glass of water. So I figured maybe his glass of water is a little bit of milk, since he's a baby. And actually, it does work. He doesn't need a lot. Like I said, only half an ounce or 1 ounce. And the hiccups are cleared, and it actually does work. I tried it several times. I've had my mom, which is his grandma, try it, and it does work. And I have a few other hacks and everything. Every baby is different, but I'm sure with this one, since it's something that we all get and we're all kind of the same, so yeah, it should work for everybody. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and don't hesitate to try it on your child or give the advice to somebody else. Thank you, guys. Bye.